In this video, you'll learn how to disable notification across various platforms. By the end of this guide, you will understand how to manage email, SMS, and device level notifications effectively. To begin with email notifications, open your email inbox and locate any email from Wecasa. Once you have the email open, scroll down to the bottom of the message. Look for a link that says unsubscribe. If you find this option, click on it to stop receiving future emails from Wecasa. If there is no unsubscribe link available, an alternative is to set up a filter in your email settings. To create a filter, access your email account settings. Depending on your email provider, this may be found under options like filters or rules. Create a new filter that identifies emails from Wecasa and choose to automatically archive or delete them. This ensures that these emails do not clutter your inbox, allowing for a more organized email experience. Next, let's address phone and SMS notifications. To block Wecasa's number, open your phone settings. Navigate to the section labeled Phone or Messages and look for options related to blocked numbers. Here you can add Wecasa's number to your blocked list, preventing any further SMS notifications from reaching you. If you prefer to turn off SMS notifications without blocking the number, access your phone's messaging settings. Depending on your device, locate the section for notifications. Find the option that allows you to disable notifications specifically for SMS messages and turn that off. This will stop notifications from appearing on your device without affecting the ability to receive messages. Lastly, you can manage device level notification on your smartphone or computer. Go to the settings menu, look for the section labeled notifications. Here, you will see a list of applications. Find Wecasa or the relevant email or browser application. Once located, disable alerts for that app, ensuring that you no longer receive notifications on your device. These methods allow you to effectively stop receiving notifications from Wecasa without making changes to your account information. Each approach offers a way to maintain the convenience of your services while managing your notification preferences.